Hey guys, it's been so long. It's going to be a detailed makeup video after so long. So I have got some new products and I thought why not do a whole face of makeup with my new products. I cleanse my skin using this Recharge face wash for oily problem skin, and as you can see my skin is nothing short of problems. And then I toned it with the brightening toner. It is also from Recharge. You can get these products from Nykaa. Hydrate my lips before starting. I use this petroleum jelly. This is from Apollo Ahmedabad. This is just for rupees 160 or something. I really like this one more than the Laneige lip balm, and this one doesn't dry out my lips. So I start with my eyes. So I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Cream. So I prime my eyes with the normal primer itself. So I go for this Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. It works well for me. That's it. Next I have this concealer by Tarte. I'm going to use this on my lid. Now that I've concealed my lids, I'm going to go in with loose powder. I have this Laura Mercier which I got very recently. Lock my concealer with a little bit of loose powder. For eyes now, I'm going to go in with the Morphe palette, the 35XO palette. I believe it's called the Flirty palette because you'll see the colors and you know for yourself. Look at this. It is so pretty. And this is the perfect blend for like everyday sort of shades. I did a look in Bhopal right here, I'll show you. And this one was the most requested eye tutorial. Like everyone was in love with it and I personally loved it very much, so I'm going to do that. Of course it won't look same on my eyes because her eyes are much bigger and prettier, but let's see how it turns out. I'm taking this color U up for my transition color. It's just like a semicircle sort of thing that I'm doing. I'm not taking it right up till here. It goes directly into your socket. Can you see? This is how it's supposed to be. Now I'm taking this thin liner brush. It's actually not a liner brush, it's an eyebrow brush, but I use this to do my liner. So I'm gonna take the darkest brown color. If you have hooded eyes like me, don't go right into the inner corner. Just make a wing starting from the mid of your eyes. You can smudge it again with the first eyeshadow brush you had. Now to give more definition to this white plain area, we're gonna take some white or nude color. I'm gonna just carve out my white space and make it more visible. Let me show you something real quick. So now this eye looks so much better than this one. I have intensified the blank area with white eyeshadow and here I haven't. This also looks nice, but this one looks much better in person. Look at that. It really opens up my eyes. Now we're gonna go in with the serum. It's the Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Serum Crystal Elixir, such a huge name. I'm going to apply this very aesthetically. I'm going to gently massage this serum into my skin using this guasa. This improves the blood flow. That's why you can see a little bit of redness. I'm gonna go in with this Wishful Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. I've been dying to use this. I've been waiting so that I don't ruin the texture of this. It looks so nice. I'm gonna go ahead with this Charlotte Tilbury Insert Soft Focus Beauty Glow Primer. I'm gonna take this NARS concealer. It's called Soft Matte Complete Concealer. It's in the shade medium to ginger. It's a bit darker for me, so I'm just going to use it as a color corrector for my under eyes. So I'm taking NARS foundation in the color Barcelona, which is a little darker for me. I'm only using this much. I'm just taking half a pump of this Huda Beauty foundation because this one is very intense. Like, it's very full coverage. Both of the foundations are very full coverage, so only that's it. Concealing now, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Now, before you use any powders, make sure you're done with your cream application. So before I powder my face, I'm gonna go in with a cream blush and a cream contour. It's like the HD foundation and blush palette. Wow, I really like this contour. Wow, I can already see that happening, the Kylie Jenner effect happening. To be honest, when I'm going with a bronzy look, I don't like putting a lot of blush, but let's see if we can do something about it. Right above my contour. Nice, it blends amazingly. I really like it. Wow. Now I'm going to load myself with some bronzer. I'm using the Hoola by Benefit bronzer, and this one is very pigmented, so be careful. I think this is the right amount of bronzing that I want. I'm gonna take a brown liner. Wow, who is that? I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. It's in the shade dark brown. Now I'm gonna go in with my lipstick. I got this free lipstick with the Charlotte Tilbury tint, so I'm gonna use that. It's so mini, it's so chotu. I'm gonna put on some lashes now. I'm using these lashes. These lashes by Ardell. Now I'm going in with fixing spray. This one is from Wet n Wild. It's a natural finish makeup spray. It's very cheap, but I really like it. It sets my makeup pretty well. After we're done with the spray, I'm going in with my highlighter. The last step and the most interesting step of the makeup is highlighter. I'm going in with this one. This is by MAC and it's really nice and blinding. Since the look is all bronzy, I'm going in with a gold highlighter, or else I would have opted for a silverish non-gold highlighter. So let me see. Pops a lot, so I'm gonna go in very carefully. Wow, look at that. Ooh. It's so blinding. Oh my God. This is how the look turned out. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. I would love to answer them. This is just me posing for some pictures now. Bye.